Ever felt like your thoughts could reshape your reality? You're not alone. Today, let's uncover the ancient secrets of the Kybalion. The Kybalion is filled with wisdom attributed to Hermes Trismegistus. It teaches us the 7 Hermetic principles that govern reality. First principle, mentalism. The all is mind, the universe is mental. Everything begins with thought. Change your thoughts, and you change your world. Next, correspondence. As above, so below. As below, so above. This principle connects the microcosm and the macrocosm. Vibration. Nothing rests, everything moves, everything vibrates. Understand this, and you can synchronize your vibration with the reality you want. Polarity. Everything is dual. Everything has poles. Recognize the extremes in life and find balance. Rhythm. Everything flows out and in. Everything has its tides. By riding the waves, you maintain harmony in life. Cause and effect. Every cause has its effect. Every effect has its cause. Understanding this principle gives you control over your actions. Lastly, gender. Gender is in everything. Everything has its masculine and feminine principles. By harmonizing these principles, you achieve balance and creation. The Kybalion provides a roadmap to shift your reality instantly. So, ready to harness the power of the mind and reshape your world? Start now and let the ancient wisdom of the Kybalion guide you.